Good day and welcome to my presentation of Hanging Rock, a two-story minimalist home by the cliff. Introduction. This house is to be situated in Kapatagan, Bigos City and must have active systems to accommodate electrical and water needs of the household, as well as passive systems. The Hanging Rock is inspired from picturesque Scandinavian hills with rocks balancing a cantilevered pose appearance. This is to emphasize the feeling of being in a hill or mountainside while seeing the breathtaking view. The house will be Scandinavian and minimalist and aesthetic. Having a partially off-the-grid home will need the tenants to be living as simply as they can. Thus, a building philosophy of simplicity is valued to allow you to relax, be in touch with nature with the building's openness. A home by the Kapatagan breezes will surely encourage you to avoid the hustle of urban work. Design considerations and approaches. Views and vistas. The Kapatagan landscape is surely hard to miss. Having breathtaking views of farmlands and glimpses of faraway cityscapes is indeed an asset of the site that cannot be wasted. Thus, the house features large windows and a very spacious balcony for the users to enjoy the view. Natural lighting is encouraged in eco-friendly designs. With the cold weather of the region, allowing sunlight to enter the premises will help the heating of the house. Should the house get too warm for the users, awning and jalousie windows are placed to allow the tenants to have full control of the window flow to be let inside the house. Solar power and rainwater catchment are integrated in the house. Dreaming of being a self-sufficient home, the current technology cannot accommodate such demands, thus electrical and water supplies will need to be partially grid-reliant, with solar power and rainwater catchment systems as aid to minimize bills and to have an eco-friendlier house. Should more efficient systems be developed in the future, the site should be large enough to accommodate such systems. Seen in this cross-section, large windows are placed for lighting, vistas, and ventilation. A corner glass window is placed in the master's bedroom for the views as well. The design features a fall-flat roof made to hide the slope for aesthetic purposes. Rainwater runs through the hidden gutters to catchment reservoirs. Despite the Scandinavian exterior, tropical design elements are also included, such as cantilevered second-floor slab to serve as eaves for the ground floor. Awning windows by the second-floor corridor are placed for the same reason. The house is oriented in such a way that the views are unobstructed in public areas, such as the living and the dining. For security and privacy, lesser fenestrations are placed in the access road side. Bedroom windows face the access road to allow them to check the surroundings outside. A utility storage cabinet is placed by the underside of the staircase. A nook by the rear side of the building is also for air conditioning or rain catchment systems should there be any upgrade to be done in the home. For the lighting, low voltage lighting will be used for the house, such as these track LED lighting used in bedrooms. Solar-powered modular landscape and wall lighting will also be used to make the building stand out more while being energy efficient. For the power layout, weatherproof convenience outlets are to be used for outlets outside the house. GFCI outlets are used in places at risk of water entering the sockets. Since the area is already cool, ceiling fans are placed instead of air conditioning. But if an upgrade is to be made, the nook by the rear face of the house, which was mentioned earlier, will be used for placing the systems. Minimalist and Scandinavian designs often feature a mixture of glass, steel, wood, and cement as materials. White aluminum cladding is to be placed in the second floor of the house's exterior. That would be all for this presentation, and thank you for listening.